Howdy, everybody. Today we're working on block 18, Baby Bird. And Baby Bird uses 3 squares of B2 paired with 3 squares of background and B8. You can see on the board the blocks we've done so far, 1 through 17. So let me take you down to the table and we'll get started. For Baby Bird, we're using B8, B2, and our background. We're going to do the 2 at a time method and the 4 at a time method, and then these 3 are standalone squares. So we've done all of these multiple times now, so I'm just going to sew and cut and put it in super speed, and then we'll get to putting the block together. We'll start with our 4 at a time, match them up right sides together, and sew all the way around the square. Every once in a while with these leader enders, I like to put the same together. It makes an interesting pattern when I go to put together the pixelated quilt. Okay, we know that we're going to be cutting from corner to corner to make our 4 half square triangles. And this one is 2 at a time. We're going to be sewing from this corner to this corner on either side of the line. So I need to draw my I turned my camera around because it was shooting sideways and I was having trouble orienting myself. So anyway, Baby Bird goes together like this. We have our B8 in the center, our B2 on this corner, and our background on this corner. So that's going in a diagonal. And then we have them oriented like this. You'll have to pay close attention to your picture in the book. But you can see how it looks like a bird. There's the head, there's the tail, and there's the wings. So we're going to sew it together and see how it turns out. Once again, we'll be web piecing or chain piecing, however you want to call it. It's book says to press open. I'm choosing to nest my seams, and you can choose whether to follow what's in the book, or if you're comfortable with doing your own thing, you can nest. So to nest, I'm going to be pressing opposite directions. This row will go to my left, this row will go to my right, and this row will go to my left. So let's right sides together, nest your seams if you're nesting. If you're not, you're going to have to pin. Now this is where I'm going to press my seams open. There we have our baby bird. Isn't he pretty? A bluebird. Let's see. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.